When I think of farming, I think of a village nestled in a valley, a stream chattering through it, an orchard on a hill, and fields spreading out around it. When you walk through these fields, make sure you take binoculars, for here you will see them, the goldfinch and the hawfinch, the song thrush and the skylark. Their song drifts across the hills like butterflies over the fields. And as the sun begins to set, if you're not too loud, you may just see them, the deer and the hare coming out for dinner. Such villages exist. I have seen them, but I have also seen another type. Houses surrounded by agricultural deserts, vast fields stretching to the horizon with not a bird or bug or butterfly in sight. And when I look at the numbers collected across our continent, I see our countryside is in trouble. Our landscapes are dying. 50 years ago, we feared a silent spring. Now, in some places, our spring is silent, and so is our summer, our autumn, our winter. Where once we walked with eyes wide with wonder, there now grows a deathland, where man has achieved the abolition of nature. As Leopold said, we walk within a world of wounds. How can we recapture, how can we reclaim the wonder of a vibrant world, the beauty of a living landscape? That is the question that we want to answer. And so, we talk to the farmers who are working the land. We talk to officials who set and change rules. We talk to scientists studying farms. And then, based on that knowledge accumulated across decades, we construct with our computers a model of these systems. We pour the data of 100 studies into a bucket full of bits. We weave with lines of software code a tapestry of ecosystems. And so convert the tangled bank of life into a virtual world of thought, a model and pattern of reality. This model then becomes our testing ground, where virtual farmers plow and plant, and virtual hedgerows offer habitat to virtual birds and butterflies. Within these self-made landscapes, we can test new methods to preserve the richness of species, the diversity of life. Our aim, of course, is not to stay within the confines of computer-generated fields, but to bring the insights we acquire back onto our village fields. And so, when the simulations have run or the verification and validation is done, we will talk again to the officials and farmers who manage and steward our land, and seek in common constructive discourse to impact the practice and influence policy, so that when I am old and grey, I can take my grandson for a walk in the fields around some village and go with him to the orchards and the hedges, where the golden yellowhammer sparkles, the fieldfare colony chatters, and the skylark rises in triumphant song. We work to curb the silent spring, to protect and preserve and revive the beauty, to reclaim the wonder.